Congratulations, worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication.
What's going on? Nate here, and so we got a little problem here. I ended up spending $40 on these lug nuts on Amazon that I got. I ended up buying some purple ones, thinking that they were gonna be like a really dark purple. Well, yeah, look at this shit. This is not the purple that I thought it was gonna be. It's like fucking pink. Pink ain't gonna work on the G, I'll tell you that. I'm not happy right now. So what I'm gonna try doing is I'm probably gonna end up sanding these down, and I'm gonna try painting them. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but you know, what the hell, right? I spent $40. I'm not gonna go ahead and send them back and try to buy another pair and then find out that I don't like the color on those either. So I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a shot, see how it turns out. So I'm gonna mix some black and purple together, try to darken it. Alright, got the paint mixed up, so let's give it a shot and see how this turns out.
You want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you.
Well, we got the finished product here. I just did a set of 10 of them right now, and then I still got 10 more to do. But I just wanted to see how they turn out, and I think they turned out pretty good. I mean, compared to this over here, yeah, this color's junk. Kind of girly looking there. This, on black wheels, I think it's gonna look pretty good. And picture this with gold calipers. That's gonna be dope.
Till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, down, down. Till the lights